Bonus time. All right, guys, welcome back to Blue Line Garage. As you can see, I picked up 2007 Cadillac Escalade EXT, I guess, which is a pickup model or a pickup truck type. This is exactly what the customer wanted. They wanted this car. The only problem is it came from Canada, and there was a whole process on doing that. And what I'll do is at the end of this video, I'll explain that process. It was actually easy to do, but very time consuming. It took about, I don't know, maybe 2 months, 3 months tops to get the car here. I do have to see the day I purchased it to know exactly how long it took to get here, but it did get dropped off a few days ago. I'm gonna give you a tour of it. It was listed as hail damage on the vehicle. Inside looks mint. Inside is really nice, just needs to be wiped down. The inside is beautiful. There are some hail dings on the passenger side of the vehicle, so I'm going to be changing the hood, the fender, and I'm going to be doing some body work on the rear end and try and get it to the best that I can. Make it look good, get it painted. It's going to look primo. It's going to look nice. There's not much work to do on it. The bed of the truck, I am impressed with the bed of the truck. It has a cover. It's real nice, thick plastic, really rough, and basically what a pickup truck needs to be. So I'm really impressed with all the electronics in the car, the bed of the truck. And you know what I do is usually when I get my cars, wash them. So that's what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna give you a walk around. After walk around, I'm gonna wash them and give my opinion. And then you're gonna see the build from there on. All right, let's do this. All right, so this is the rear end here. Everything looks really good. The problem is because it was in Canada, there's snow there, of course, and the roads are salty, so there's some rust on the vehicle. You can even see, just looking at the tow hitch, you can see rust here. So I'm gonna have to inspect the hole underneath the car. All the important places I'm gonna have to sand down and put a coating over it. This Brown Boys was actually the company who was able to transport the vehicle through the border and customs for me. I'm gonna talk about them a little bit later. It is an Escalade EXT. Cadillac has a rear view camera right here. The bed of the truck, you just, oh, see this gets stuck, so I gotta fix this too on here. Okay, so we're back, so we're gonna open this. Oh, still not open. Let's see here. There we go. And as you can see, it has the rhino covering right here. Nice, tough plastic. Really smooth, actually. Now there's levers on both sides of this to open it up. Lift that up. And now the whole back opens up, as you can see. And you can remove it for storage. Has light back here, looks really good. No hidden compartments. As you can see, it has a good mat, durable, very durable. Now during the hail, this got dinged, so this is gonna have to be replaced. And you can see there's a few dings around here, so I'm gonna have to try and smooth that up. There are some spots here I'm gonna have to sand down, smooth here and here, clean all this up, some rust, clean all that up so it doesn't spread. Look like they did a poor job trying to fix this, so I'm gonna take all that down. I'm gonna probably take the steps down, put different steps on there possibly. These doors actually doesn't look bad at all. I don't really see any dings on these doors. The fender, on the other hand, is beat up really bad up on top, as you could tell. And it's actually cheaper just to replace the fender than trying to fix it. The hood, I don't know if you could see it on the camera, but it got beat up pretty good. It even bented the hood right here too. It's way too much to try and fix this. It's a lot cheaper than just to buy it. Headlights are intact. I'll try and buff them up, sharpen them up a little bit. Overall, the front looks good. This side, clean. Body, clean all the way over. As you can tell, it's all clean. Now over here, these panels, they do sell kits. I can make them chrome. Probably what I'll end up doing is getting a chrome set. This is about to come off. That's why it looks like that, as you can see right here. So it's just glue holding it in. So I'm going to replace that. This, the inside, is super clean. Looks really good. Just needs to be cleaned out. Everything is nice and smooth. As you can see, everything is leather. Sunroof, DVD player, and I don't know what this stuff is up here, but I could try and get that off. Glove box here, or armrest, whatever you call it. A second one in there. Looks like the guy left me some music. Compartments here, cup holders. Everything looks really nice. Like I said, just needs to be wiped down clean. Radio. The windshield is cracked. That's going to have to be replaced. Not a real big deal. Let's go ahead and start it up. There's no errors on this at all, except for low tire pressure on the front tire, so I'm going to put air in that. Not bad at all. It does have, let's see if I know how to control this thing. Okay, good for you. Let's see, 164,000 miles, not too bad. For a 2007, that actually is really pretty good. The sunroof here works, as you can see. And it's auto, goes back by itself, not too bad. Everything is smooth, there's no cracks in the dash whatsoever. Really, it's a really clean car. Customer is super happy, I can't wait for them to get it. Everything is stock up here, nothing too crazy, it's been modified. Let's check out the back seats. Doors are clean, doesn't look like any children has been in here. You could also plug in your video imports, things like that. So if you got some type of game system, you could plug it into the TV. You could control the air out here, radio. You could plug in some headsets. I did notice these back here were ripped. I got to take care of that. Let's check out the seats. They do fold forward. And it's not so bad. It actually is really pretty clean. All right, drop that down. Center rear armrest here. Pull that down. And got a little compartment right there. That's pretty nice. Put your head down if you got some kids. Throw them back there. The back window here unlocks. It actually goes down. Not bad at all, and you can unlock it from here. See how it unlocks from up there. Keeps everything intact. DVD player, let's see if this opens up. Check that out, that's pretty cool. The roof, clean, no marks, no nothing. Looks really good, really good. Let's go ahead and turn it off. So that's pretty much it on this car. This is just a walk around, kind of show you what I got and what it looks like. Basically, I'm just going to go ahead and wash it, and I'll show you what it looks like after when it's being washed. So stay tuned.